welcome or welcome back to our channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today we're going to go see an ultrasound of our baby brother. My sisters and I are so excited. And then later today we're going to pick up our new puppy. So let's go. Alright everyone, we just got back from the ultrasound and we picked up some lunch, ran to a few stores, just bringing stuff back home. And now we're headed to go get our new puppy, so let's go.